God called out in the morning light, Abraham, and he replied, "Take your son, your only Isaac, offer him on the mountainside." So he rose and split the firewood, 3 days walking toward the place. Yet he told the servants waiting, "We will worship by God's grace on the mount of the Lord. It shall be provided when the shadows fall deep and the heart is divided. Faith walks forward in trust, though the cost cuts inside. On the mount of the Lord, He himself will provide the sun and the wood. Isaac carried up the wood, Abraham held the flame and knife. Father, where's the lamb we need for the offering of life? God will see to it, my son, spoken through a trembling breath. Still he built waiting altar, still he faced the silent test. The angels cried, just as sorrow met the moment. Heaven's voice broke through the air. Abraham, do not harm the boy. Now I know your heart is there. Then he saw a ram caught fast, held by horns the Lord had tied. A substitute upon the altar, mercy standing at his side. The oath renewed, God declared his solemn promise, blessing stars and grains of sand. Through his offspring nations rise, by God's purpose, not by man. Abraham named the sacred place where the ram replaced the sun. On the mount of the Lord he said, it shall always be done. On the mount of the Lord, it shall be provided when the shadows fall deep and the heart is divided. Faith walks forward in trust, though the cost cuts inside. On the mount of the Lord, He himself will provide.